Streivor Air Systems, the industry leader in commercial kitchen ventilation. Striving for the highest quality and most efficient products through innovation. To assist with your installation, this video will provide an overview of Streivor's Type 1 hood accessories for wall canopy and island box design hood models, and how to properly install the accessories. Before you begin, please gather your Streivor project drawings, as well as the Streivor installation and operation manual. Please note that Streivor's UL-listed exhaust hood canopies cannot be penetrated in any way. If making additions or repairs to the hood, use an NSF-approved sealant or silicone. Do not attempt to install, adjust, or remove accessories while cooking or while appliances are still hot. The main hood accessories include filters, either HVC filters or Baffle filters, adjustable filter spacers, enclosed grease containers, light fixtures, and containment panels. We will also discuss access enclosures, temperature switches, BalanceAire balancing dampers, utility cabinets, and makeup air plenum. To install the HVC filters, hold firmly and insert the top section of the filter into the upper filter holder track within the hood. Swing the filter towards the back of the hood until it clears the pitched grease drip tray. Lower the filter so that the notch on the front of the filter fits into the pitched grease drip tray. To remove the HVC filters, hold firmly and lift the filter up into the upper filter holder track, located at the top of the hood. Swing the filter towards the front of the hood until it clears the pitched grease drip tray. Pull the filter down out of the upper filter holder track and remove. For hoods equipped with Baffle filters, these are installed by using the filter handles. Hold them by the Baffle filter handles in a vertical position. Insert the upper section of the filter into the upper filter holder track within the hood. Swing the Baffle filter towards the back of the hood until it clears the pitched grease drip tray. Lower the Baffle filter so that the notch on the front of the filter fits into the pitched grease drip tray. To remove Baffle filters, hold firmly by the filter handles and lift the filter up into the upper filter holder track. Swing the Baffle filter towards the front of the hood until it clears the pitched grease drip tray. Pull the Baffle filter down out of the upper filter holder track and remove. Once the filters are in place, the installer must adjust the adjustable filter spacers located at both ends of the hood to eliminate all gaps or open spaces. First, push the filters towards the opposite end of the hood to determine how much space needs to be filled. Next, make a mark at the end of the space that needs to be filled and remove the first closest filter to create more working space. Proceed by loosening the 2/4-inch acorn nuts located behind the adjustable filter spacers. Then, position the adjustable filter spacers in or out to align with the mark made. Retighten the nuts after the adjustment has been completed and verify that there are no gaps. the installer should install the enclosed grease containers onto the hood. For wall canopy hood models, insert the front top edge of the enclosed grease container down on the enclosed grease enclosure installed on the hood. For island hood models, align the open-ended side of the enclosed grease container with the enclosed grease enclosure and slide it over. Your hood may have included either heavy-duty or light-duty containment panels. Check your hood drawings for reference and make sure that these are installed on the corresponding open hood ends. To install, align the track from the panel with the screw holes on the hood and fasten the panel into place. Streivor provides factory-installed recessed and surface-mounted light fixtures in both LED and non-LED types. Lamps are sold separately for non-LED light fixtures. All light fixtures are factory-wired to junction boxes located on the top left side of the hood. As referenced in your project drawings, make sure the light junction box, E1, is wired to your electrical light switch. To access the recessed light fixture, loosen the screws on the front of the light fixture until they are held in place by the screw retainer. Swing the glass cover open. For LED light fixtures, replace the LED strips if needed. And for non-LED light fixtures, install the lamps and replace the glass cover. To install LED or non-LED lamps on a surface-mounted light fixture, carefully install the lamp by screwing it counterclockwise into the light socket of the light fixture. Install the protective glass globe by carefully screwing it counterclockwise into the light fixture. Be careful not to cross-thread the glass globe. Auto-start temperature switches are located in either the hood canopy or the exhaust duct connection behind the filters and are generally fitted with UL-listed access enclosures. Temperature switches are pre-wired to the junction boxes labeled E3, located on the left end of the top of the hood. To power the temperature switches, reference the electrical details from your Streivor project drawings. To access the temperature switches, simply remove the access enclosure cover plate. If you need to adjust the temperature set point for activation, remove the protective cover and adjust the temperature set dial by spinning the dial to the desired set point setting. After adjusting the temperature set point, place the protective cover back on and close the access enclosure. Your hood may include UL-listed, manually adjustable, BalanceAire balancing dampers to assist installers with hood airflow balancing and serves as your duct connection. Balancing dampers can be accessed by simply removing the filters in front of the exhaust opening. Make sure these are accounted for during installation and serviced by your appointed airflow balancer. If your hood is equipped with SmartAire technology, you'll notice internal hood fan collars located on top of your hood. These internal hood fans must be connected for your hood to operate as intended and are pre-wired to junction boxes labeled E2. To power the internal hood fans, reference the electrical details from your Streivor project drawings. You may notice that a stainless steel utility cabinet is attached to the hood, or that one was shipped separately. Streivor's utility cabinets are designed for either hood mounting or remote wall mounting and can serve multiple purposes, such as housing fire suppression components, control systems, water filters, plumbing control systems, and more. To access the utility cabinet, stand with solid footing and lift the handle on the stainless steel removable door panel in an upward motion until the bottom clears. Then carefully pull the door outwards to remove. Utility cabinets which are factory mounted to a hood We'll have the applicable components secured in the cabinet, and complete electrical connections from the hood's junction boxes. If installing a utility cabinet against a hood, make sure that the edges are welded and sealed with an NSF-approved silicone sealant. Utility cabinets designed for remote wall mounting should be installed with the appropriate wall backing to provide sufficient support for the cabinet's weight. Check your project's drawings to confirm the specified location and installation requirements. Make sure that at least 36 inch of clearance is available on the door side of all utility cabinets to allow access for installation and servicing. Some hoods include external supply plenums, which provide makeup air to the room. Oftentimes, they are factory installed by being welded onto the face of the hood. However, if they were shipped loose, use the hanger brackets to suspend the supply plenums. At Streivor Air Systems, we make customer service and quality assurance a top priority. For any questions or concerns, please email us at techsupport@streivor.com. or reference our FAQ section in the Installation and Operations Manual. And thank you for striving for excellence.